Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again. I'm on a roll with my third video for today. Let's get it. I haven't been this excited since when I was making like 10 videos back to back in January. So we're not going to slow down now. We don't stop me now. I had to sing real quick. But before we start, just know, like and subscribe to my video. Look at the video from beginning to end. And if anything intrigues you, there's going to be certain links on the right side. Click it for future videos that might be intriguing or entice you. But just know, today's video is going to be about dividends and the dividend increases. And so from many different videos that you see that I use different websites, I use different tools, may use different dividend trackers to prove a point. And so for today, what we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you the dividend increases in my portfolio, one. And then also, as of February 22nd thus far, and I'm going to show you through Simply Safe Dividends, the dividend, the section where you go to look at where the dividend increases are announced and what the dividend increase in my portfolio up until this point in February, and then I might show you what dividend increase might be for later on this year. So strap up and let's get into this delicious content. So as of right now, my dividend portfolio is at around $42,000. I put in about $350 yesterday. I bought some WP Carry and I bought some VC properties. Both are REITs. I am currently at, according to Simply Safe Dividends, I'm currently at an annual income of $1,500, meaning that I'm making $1,500 passive income that I don't have to do anything about. I just bought the shares of these stocks. I reinvest. I make more money. It's that simple, right? My dividend yield for my dividend portfolio is 3.56%. with a yield on cost of 3.79%. All this means is that if you were to buy into my portfolio right now, you would get a yield of 3.56%. But my portfolio is pumping out a yield around 3.79%. That's because I've been investing for about 5.5 years thus far. I have my dividend portfolio has a dividend growth of 12.1% and it has a beta of 0.83. Just know that a beta of 1 goes with the market, VU, SP 500 index. So since it's at a 0.83, meaning that it's up there. It's quite it definitely is close to the market. And then here's income calculator. We can look at that later of some prospective dividend stocks that I plan on looking to receive for the month of March, and probably be doing a video about those dividends that come in and here got income forecast. And then when you look at my holdings as of right now, you see I have AVI, ABR, AVI, and up to this point, ADI has increased their dividend. And but you can look at your stocks and the stocks that increase the dividend this way, or you can go here, go to latest, click my portfolio, and then right here you can see right here, and it will show you where in the month of your particular dividend stock pays the dividend. And then if you look at certain different stocks, it will show you that, hey, this particular stock has increased its dividend by such and such percentage this year, consecutive increase. But let me scroll all the way down to the bottom and start out at the beginning. So I own UPS, and so going into February, UPS increases dividend by 6.6%, and then on February 7th, T. Rowe Price in my dividend portfolio increases dividend by 1.7%. And honestly, this is quite all right. I mean, it has normally increased dividend for over like over 10%, but coming out of 2022 in the down market where even the SP 500 was down, 18%. Just having a dividend champion like T. Rowe Price still increase their dividend, I'm quite all right, because I'm already knowing within 2 or 3 years it's going to be right back increasing those delicious dividends, and this is the best time to buy the stock right now. I own Tractor Supply, and Tractor Supply last year had like increases dividend for like over 50%, and I'm like, wow. I already knew that by increasing dividend percent over 40% last year, that I know this year it was going to be about at least 10%, but 12%, I'll take that. It's definitely a delicious dividend growth stock that I own, and I love it, and I plan on buying at least maybe $300, $400 worth of Tractor Supply this year. I just added this stock into my dividend portfolio. It's called Monolithic Power Systems. It's a semiconductor stock. It has just recently increased its dividend by 33%, and man, it has like a yield of like 0.85%, and it's not stopping. It's on the go. All these stocks I own, they are in my dividend portfolio. So just as you see, these are just regular dividends along the way, and I'm planning on increase anytime soon. But ADI, I just added this to my dividend portfolio on February 14th, Lovers Day, Valentine's Day. For all the lovers, it increased its dividend for 13% from paying 76 cents a share to 86 cents per quarter, not per share, 86 cents per quarter. And then also by me owning Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola and Abby have been one of my first stocks that I've had that for me owning way back since I want to say 5-7 years ago. It increased its dividend by 4.5%, and for Coca-Cola has reached its 61st consecutive annual increase. Texas Roadhouse increases dividend by 20% on February 16th. Allstate, as I showed earlier, increases dividend by 4.7% to a streak of 13 years consecutively. And that's all as of right now for February 22nd of all the dividend increases in my particular portfolio. So hopefully in the next couple of days I receive some more dividend increases, but if not, then I'm completely fine for any other months, right? So those are the dividend increases of my particular portfolio, and in the next 30 days, this is how my stocks, this is how my portfolio gonna be looking at in terms of paying me. So I'm going to be looking at some delicious, juicy dividends in the next 30 days. On March 1st alone, I'm looking at receiving about $47, and then looks like I'm going to be receiving over $100 and some dollars. This right then alone is over. These 3 payments right here alone is over $100 and some dollars. So definitely approaching maybe upwards of $150, $160 in dividends for the month of March. And so I'm definitely anticipating that, and that is all. That is the portfolio update so far. This video was about dividend stock increase. I went over the dividend stock increase in my particular portfolio, and I plan on buying more stocks in a couple more days. So be on the lookout for the video of my dividend stock update, portfolio update, and hope you guys have a great Wednesday. Last video.